Subway sidekicks. We got the foot-long cookie here. Let's go open this up and check this thing out. Comes with this nice wrapping. Look at that. Nice pin throat. They even give me a spoon with that. So let's try it out now. Bottoms up right over here. It's pretty much like a cake. Very gooey, but really, really good. I'm gonna give this 6 out of 10, but it's not bad. It's just very gooey. So it's like a very cake-like substance right now. So let me know what you guys think of the new sidekicks from Subway in the comments below. And we'll see you guys in the next one.